Hey, back again. No work again. Just checking my plot plan right then. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to tidy this compost corner out and fix it up. It's getting a bit back in there. A couple of year old. What I'm doing is getting all twigs there in that bag. I'm going to drag it up to the compost heap up there. I don't normally use it, but I won't get this tidied. It's looking a bit of a mess, so I'm going to put all them in that bag and drag them up there to compost, right at the top of plots. So I'm a bit busy, and I'll see you in a bit. Something making a racket there. There you go, all clear now. Gone up the top, and that's how it breaks down. Got all twigs and that in there. I've got some more for put in there, smaller ones, and bit bigger stuff, bits when it breaks down a bit in there, put it in there, strawy stuff and all that, and then soft stuff in the end. It's all breaking down, it's all getting bit of a rat hole there. Yeah, needs a good turn in that, but I'll let that rain get on it now for a couple of days, and I'll fix this front, because that needs a piece of wood behind. See, it's dropped down there over that lip, so I'll do a screw a piece of wood in the middle. I'll do it in them all, because I've not done any of them. These have held up okay, but yeah, belting. I'll fix them. So there you go, all straightened up, and I've done what I should have done at first place. Screwed a piece of wood out back so I can just lift all that up as one. What? So when I need to scoop it out I can do. Just need 2 more pieces of wood. I'll do these 2 while they're off. Yeah. It's that cladding that off a roof. What do they call it? Oh, can't remember the name of it. Fascia board. And they make a house. Just slots in like a tongue and groove. But it's ideal plastic for that. It's nice and thick. It'll never rot that. And when I get that wood out back, it'll just slide like that one. See how that's bellowing out? That's because of all the weight on there and he's turning backwards. I'll do that in a bit, and I'll put a piece of wood down the back of that. Melting. Compost. Just done my brew. Finished that compost heap. Just looking at all bulbs, what's coming through now. Let's have a look what we've got. They're all tulips, different ones. These are tulips and grape hyacinth. Some in there that are iris. Some iris in there. So they're bursting the colour soon. Just moved the wurzel to round there. Spins about a bit better there. Ken's daffodils there. Ken the reds on. There's a wise old elf. Doing something. Foxgloves, they're not bulbs but come up every year. I think there's a couple of daffodils in there, a couple of tulips in here. That's lavender. These 2 are azaleas, different colours. I can't remember the name of this one. It's just coming through at the bottom now, if anybody knows it. It's like a long leaf and it grows to about 2 foot round that. One there as well. Got a load of daffodils there. That barrow's full of bluebells and all sorts. Needs a weeding. got that tiger lily there, which is not started yet. Oh yeah, it's just going green there at the bottom, can you see? I'll clean that up, that means starting off. And this is bluebells and stuff. That's all our flowers. Yeah, that compost looks a lot hardier now. I've covered that one up because it's never had a cover on. So I'll give it a cover for a bit. And the coughing and spluttering there. I did pea bed, we did that yesterday as well. So that's about it. Yeah, I've still not shifted them, I'll do them in a minute. I'll have one more breed and I'll do them. Blue having his breakfast. Well, half a man on the left. Loves this sausage. Back home now anyway, as you can tell. Update on the pond. Sparky's dead. And a few of his mates. Sorted that water now, hopefully. She'll be healthy enough and swimming about. But big one's under there somewhere, a big koi. That's it. Got about 8 to 10 fish left in. Out of about 17, 18. Yeah, restocked at summer. Watch them all grow again. Bad day today anyway, wind and rain. See you later.